So when we came to the femoral side, that is the thigh bone side, we decided that we're going to use a polystaple stem, which has been put in more than 1 million people in the world, and is a very, very forgiving stem. And then our plan was not to go mad and create correct the full leg length discrepancy that would damage the sciatic nerve again, and that might sleep for 3 or 4 years this time, which would not a good thing. So we basically put a cemented stem there, which what the evidence shows in the world, although it's not a very popular stem in India, not promoted by anybody, but we had to go by science, not by the finances. And then our basic approach and philosophy was to get a stable leg, and the hip was stable. Yes, the leg was short by around a centimeter or 2, which we expected, but the hip was very stable through the range of movement. And then we the surgery was done properly.